Sir, may shoot pa tayo ah.
Ngayon na ba yun? Teka, sandali. Nag-design pa ako eh. Hindi ako naka-ready. Pero sige, welcome mga paps. Nandito na naman ako. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa dalawang showroom. Yung Indian Motorcycle at BMW dyan sa King Abdulaziz. Bago ang lahat, first of all, I just want to say thank you sa mga nag-subscribe, nag-like, nag-comment dun sa unang video namin. Yung mga hindi pa nakapanood, i-click nyo lang yung link na to. Dito ba o dito? Click nyo lang para gagawa pa kami ng maraming video para sa inyo. Pagbubutihan namin kaya you inspire us. Samahan nyo ako ulit.
I don't remember, but my friends before they have. Yeah. But we have a lot of Filipino customer come for like some accessories and some clothes, helmets. Yeah.
Thank you for your time, Mr. Mga Paps, nandito ako sa BMW Motorrad. Under ito ng company ng Muhammad Yusuf Al-Nagi. It's the Bob along King Abdullah Sisto, makikita ninyo. May mga big bikes din sila. Papakita ko sa inyo at saka mga accessories. Isa-isayin natin. Is our salesman for today. He will tell us some promotions on the bike. Mr. Muhammad, my name is Ryan. Assalamualaikum. What is a promotion you have right now?
Actually, we have Ramadan campaign now. We not have incentive one promotion above any bike. We have different promotion about the kind of the bike.
Different promotion depende sa bike, mga paps.
Yes.
What about this one? For me, I'm a beginner. If I'm beginner for bike,
For the beginner, you can
what model you can suggest?
the 310 GS.
Which one, boss?
This one.
The 310.
310, the third one.
But that one is not for highway, right?
Little bit. It's one cylinder
One
for
cylinder.
downtown.
Above 400 cc, you have
About 400 cc.
like this, the 90,
The R90.
R90.
Scrambler always is come with boxer engine. 1200 or
1200 cc.
Yeah.
This one is very nice. How much is the 12?
Which one?
This one,
The Scrambler.
the Scrambler.
Let me check.
Okay guys, sine-check lang niya yung mga price. Yung nagustuhan natin na Scrambler. Titingnan natin yung price tsaka discount. Mr. Muhammad, you have a installment also promo or only cash?
Now only cash, but in the future we start negotiation with some finance company. We started.
Okay. Magkakaroon daw ng installment plan after for the future. Kaya, pero sa ngayon mga paps, it's cash basis lang tayo. Maganda tayo ng cash. Sine-check natin yung Scrambler model. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo, nagustuhan ko yung Scrambler na model nila. Ganda ng color.
This Scrambler is 2019. The total price 61,950.
61,950 with VAT.
With VAT plus 1995 admin fee, registration and insurance, and the balance from the.
Insurance is included in the 1 year insurance, included. So right now it's only cash you have right now. Okay. That's it for now, Mr. Muhammad. Thank you for your time. Thank you for letting us to take video.
Anytime, my brother.
Inshallah, we will see you again and I will bring more friends here. Ito yung Scrambler na in-inquire natin kanina. Ito yung nagustuhan ko talaga. Astig ng dating mga paps. Tignan nyo naman yung color. Yung seat cover niya, saka yung tires niya. Panalong panalo. Ito yung nagustuhan ko sa lahat ng model nila. Saka depende rin sa budget natin. Kaya tinanong ko sa kanya as beginners kung anong magandang bike at masasuggest niya. Sinuggest niya itong 310 pero kulang to sa CC kaya dito tayo. Ang highway na natin. Mga paps, kakagaling lang namin dun sa Indian motorcycle dyan sa Dabab. Ang dami tayong nakitang magagandang motor. Dalawang bagay ang natutunan natin doon. Nakita natin na cash basis lang sila. At yung tinanong ko kanina na kung pwede nang mag-backride yung babae at or kumuha or magmotor yung babae, pwede na raw sa Saudi. Magandang balita yun para sa mga misis natin, backride natin. Mga paps, para sa ating libreng t-shirt, nagawin ko lang simple, makinig ng maigi. Yung i-comment ang Mprenta Rides, hashtag Mprenta Rides. Huwag kalimutan i-like ang video to at mag-subscribe para sa ating susunod na video. Meron tayong free raffle.